Hello, our cosmic friends. We are destined to improve your understanding about our cosmos. As a result, we are bringing you another 10 questions about the cosmos. So let's dive right in. Have you ever wondered about the theory that explains how our solar system was formed? There are several theories out there, each with its own unique perspective on the birth of our cosmic neighborhood. Let's take a brief look at three of them: the Big Bang theory, the nebula hypothesis, and the Ptolemaic system. There is also a higher powers. First up, the Big Bang theory, which posits that the universe, and by extension our solar system, exploded into existence from a singularity, a point of infinite density. Then there's the nebula hypothesis, suggesting our solar system was born from a cloud of gas and dust, the nebula which collapsed under its own gravity. Lastly, the Ptolemaic system, an ancient model placing Earth at the center of the universe with everything else revolving around it. Now, take a moment to ponder. Which one do you think correctly explains the formation of our solar system? If you guessed the nebula hypothesis, you're absolutely correct. This one wins the argument. But it's not our final say. There is also the theory of an higher power who created the universe. So make the correct choice. Do you know the name of the spacecraft that studies the sun up close? Let's ponder over three possibilities. First, the Hubble Space Telescope, an eye in the sky peering into the universe's depths. Second, the Parker Solar Probe, designed to touch the sun. Finally, Apollo 11, famous for a lunar mission. Could it also be our sun explorer? Time to reveal the truth. The correct answer is the Parker Solar Probe. This brave explorer ventures closer to the sun than any spacecraft before. Can you guess the name of the first planet discovered with a telescope? Now let's explore three possibilities. First up, Venus, the second planet from the sun. It's known for its bright, almost star-like appearance in our night sky. But was it the first to be discovered with a telescope? Next we have Uranus, the seventh planet from the sun. Its name is derived from the ancient Greek deity of the sky. Could it be the first one spotted through a telescope? Lastly, there's Neptune, the eighth and farthest known planet from the sun in our solar system. Named after the Roman god of the sea, its striking blue color is hard to miss. But was it the first to be detected with a telescope? Each of these planets holds a unique place in our solar system, but only one can claim the title of being the first discovered with a telescope. The correct answer is Uranus. What's the name of the force that causes objects to resist changes in motion? The contenders are gravity, friction, and inertia. Gravity, the invisible force that pulls everything toward the center of the Earth. Friction, the resistance that one surface or object encounters when moving over another. And inertia, the tendency of an object to continue its current state of motion, be it at rest or in motion. Which one do you think it is? Pause. The correct answer is inertia. What's the name of the phenomenon where light is separated into different colors? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? Now let's explore three possible phenomena that could be the answer: refraction, diffraction, and dispersion. First up, we have refraction. This is a phenomenon that occurs when light waves change direction as they pass from one medium to another. Next, we have diffraction. This is the process by which light waves bend around obstacles or spread out after passing through narrow openings. Finally, we have dispersion. This phenomenon occurs when light is separated into its constituent colors as it passes through a medium, like when sunlight passes through a prism and creates a rainbow. So which one is the correct answer? Refraction, diffraction, or dispersion? Spend a moment to ponder, and when you're ready, here's the revelation. The correct answer is dispersion. Fascinating, right? This is the magic of light, showing us that even the simplest things can have complex and beautiful explanations. Do you know the name of the process by which stars convert hydrogen into helium? Let's dive into a cosmic dance of atomic particles that takes place every second within the heart of stars. First up, we have fusion. Picture this: two atomic nuclei coming together, merging to form a heavier nucleus. It's a process that releases an incredible amount of energy, and it's the primary reaction in the sun and other stars. Next is fission, which is essentially the opposite of fusion. It involves the splitting of a heavy nucleus into two lighter ones, releasing energy in the process. This is the principle behind nuclear power plants and atomic bombs. Lastly, we have combustion. This is a chemical reaction that occurs when a fuel reacts with oxygen, releasing heat and light. It's what happens when you light a match or start a car engine. So, which one do you think is the correct process? The correct answer is fusion. What's the name of the theory that explains the structure of the Earth's interior? Let's explore three possibilities. First, plate tectonics, which suggests that the Earth's outer shell is divided into several plates that glide over the mantle. Next, continental drift, the idea that continents have moved over time, fitting together like a puzzle. And lastly, the hollow Earth theory, a more outlandish proposition that Earth is entirely hollow. Now take a moment to ponder. The correct answer is plate tectonics. Can you guess the name of the mission that landed the first humans on the moon? Was it Apollo 11, Luna 2, or Gemini 3? Apollo 11 was a bold endeavor that aimed to accomplish President Kennedy's goal. Luna 2, a Soviet spacecraft, made history as the first human-made object to reach the moon. Gemini 3 was the first manned mission in NASA's Gemini program. Now take a moment, which one was it? The correct answer is Apollo 11. What's the name of the phenomenon where a planet passes in front of a star? We have three possible phenomena to consider: eclipse, transit, and occultation. An eclipse occurs when an object in space blocks out another. A transit, on the other hand, is when a smaller celestial body moves across the face of a larger one. Lastly, occultation happens when one celestial body hides another. So, which one do you think it is? Pause for a moment. The correct answer is transit. Do you know the name of the spacecraft that explored the gas giants of the outer solar system? Let's consider three possible contenders: Voyager, Pioneer, and Juno. Voyager, a daring explorer of the unknown; Pioneer, a trailblazer in the cosmos; and Juno, a sentinel of the skies. Each had their unique mission and made remarkable discoveries, but only one of them ventured into the farthest reaches to study the gas giants. Can you guess which one? The correct answer is Voyager. Hey, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.